Hey guys, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I will show you how you can fix the First Descendant login fail. So first thing first, make sure that server is up and running. So you can check the status of that server on this X page, the First Descendant official. After that, make sure your internet connection is up and running and it is not connected to any VPN. So like here, I am connected to a VPN. I will disconnect it. Now, next what we can do is open up CMD and make sure you run it as administrator. Now, once you have opened the CMD as run as administrator, you have to apply this command one by one. And if the issue still persists, open up Steam, right click on the First Descendant, go to properties, and then go to install files. And here click on verify integrity of game files. If the issue still persists, you can open Windows Defender Firewall. Go to allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall and make sure you find the game here and make sure private and public both of them are ticked. Now if you cannot find it right here, you can allow another app and then browse the .exe file of the First Descendant. Now if all of these solutions does not work for you, there is a last solution. Go to control panel, go to network and internet, go here, click on network and sharing center, change adapter setting, and here you will find the Ethernet or Wi-Fi you are connected to. So I am connected to an Ethernet. I will right click on it, go to properties, and here I will select Internet Protocol version 4 and go on properties. Here I will click on use the following DNS server addresses, and here I will add 88888844 and click on OK. And this should fix my issue. And that's it for today's video. If this video helped you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.